I just glue them on with a bit of cyanoacrylate. That'll hold the pressure
On this
in
day,
place
September
up to
29,
and later I can pull them off without any
2017,
problem or
this is
damage
what
to
our
the wood.
deck looked like.
Since the backrest has a slight angle, 7 degrees to be
This
exact,
was the
instead of using
beginning
clamps, I'm going with ratchet straps.
of bringing new
Pressure
life
down.
to this
Works better
deck.
in this case. I hadn't forgotten.
We sanded and sanded and sanded and applied medium walnut Danish oil to the deck boards and the balusters.
These inlays always do, but I think it'll look pretty decent. Instead of cutting a rectangular patch like you usually see, I rounded the end.
We added a solid stain dark walnut for a 6-inch perimeter strip and to do all the horizontal railing.
Well, the moment I've been dreading since I drew the final design is finally here. I have to carve all the curves by hand. That means hours of carving, sanding, sore arms, and breathing in sawdust. The outside curves are relatively easy. They don't take too long.
It was father-daughter teamwork
Japanese grasps. You can get a pretty
that brought new life
curves.
to this
Those are going
deck.
to be the real problem. I'll say this without any doubt. This is the most complicated project I've ever done on my own. And by far, the one that's taken
After the
most effort.
first rain a couple nights ago, we came out and we saw
It turned out
how the water had beat it up on top, which let us know that we had put enough Danish oil on the deck boards so that it cured properly and the water would just beat up on top like it was supposed to do.
This for so many hours, I think what really wears you out is having to stay constantly focused and tense. If your hands